What are common audiobook mistakes that authors make? First and foremost, and it's probably the most important tip I can give you, is hiring the wrong narrator. If you hire the wrong narrator, you are shooting your audiobook in the foot. How do I find a good narrator? Well, first and foremost, I listen to a lot of audiobooks. I know what audiobooks should sound like. If a narrator doesn't sound like how the audiobooks I listen to sound like, that is a good indicator that that is probably not the right person. Also, listen for a lot of hissing and white noise in the background. That is a sign of a narrator that doesn't have the tech all the way figured out. Also, listen to how they read. Does it sound natural? Are they rushing? Are they taking extra breaths? You can really hear those in the microphone. Screening your narrator is critical, and you can weed out a lot of the narrators that aren't as skilled by making sure you just pay a higher per finished hour. That will weed out a lot of the bad narrators. But picking the right narrator is everything.